Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the van error code -81 League of Legends. Whether your game won't launch, keeps giving you a Vanguard error, or you just want to get back into the Rift without interruptions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, start by restarting your PC. Sometimes, a quick reboot refreshes both Vanguard and the Riot client, and this alone can solve the error. Once your PC is back on, step 2 is to reset your network. Disconnect your router from the power outlet, unplug all cables, and press and hold the router's power button for about 20 seconds. Reconnect everything, plug it back in, and make sure your system is connected to the internet again. This clears temporary network issues that could be causing van errors. Next, open the Run dialog by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Run. Type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter to open your network connections. Right-click your active connection, go to Properties, and first uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 TCP, IPv6. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP, IPv4. Click Properties, choose Use the following DNS server addresses, and enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS. Click OK to save your changes. This helps League connect more reliably using Google's DNS. After that, open Command Prompt as an administrator, type ipconfig.flushdns, and press Enter. This clears any old DNS data that might be causing connection problems with Riot servers. Finally, relaunch League of Legends. After completing these steps, the van error code -81 should be completely fixed, letting you play without any issues. It's also a good idea to keep both your game and Windows updated, which helps prevent future Vanguard errors. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the van error code -81 and enjoy League of Legends smoothly. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know why not make a friend's day a little easier too.